one good thing about Airtribe is it has launched Backend Engineering cohort, where you actually have the whole community of like-minded people. That's a big advantage. You grow along with them. You actually share your ideas with them and probably build a product at the end.
Yes.
That's what actually it's happening. Airtribe really helped me. Within 2 months of time, I became confident to build a complete backend for my front end. When you join cohorts like Airtribe, you can get the chance to meet many people from many companies. So great instructors like Sanchita, Kaushal, Pavan. Coming across Airtribe was the best thing that happened in last 1 year.
Hey Theja, thanks a lot for coming here today. So nice to see you in person.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see you here because it's the first time we are meeting, right?
Yes.
I'm really excited. And thanks for having me here today.
Yes. Would quickly love to know more about your journey, Theja. Like what's your engineering career has been so far? How did you get into engineering? Would love to know more about that.
Engineering. It's the only thing we know after I obviously graduated. That's the only path I know. But it has become my passion as well.
Okay.
That's a good thing. Yeah, I've graduated in 2016. It's been almost 6 plus years that I'm part of this software industry. I've come across many good people and obviously many mentors in my journey. It's really great. I mean, to recall all these years, it's so much exciting because of the evolution of tech.
Yep.
Yeah, we had a lot of scope as engineers. So yeah, so far it's great.
Got it. Okay. And walk me through your journey so far. Like what kind of companies you have worked on?
Currently I'm working as a senior software engineer in HashedIn, HashedIn Technologies. This is my second company.
Okay.
Previously I have worked for PFS Pep. That's an e-commerce company. So basically they provide end-to-end e-commerce solutions for their brands. Yeah, I'm currently as a senior software engineer. I'm mostly responsible for building web applications, maybe building solutions for the clients.
Okay.
Yeah, currently had a chance to lead a small team.
Okay.
That's where I have started looking at tech differently.
Okay.
Okay, because there are people who help you. Even the CEO of HashedIn, they sit with you and just talk to you.
Okay.
They help you solve a problem. CTOs. They're so helpful there. Even the clients that we work for are really working at the core problem statements.
Okay.
Like Cultfit, Honeywell. Yeah, I have built one UI product for Honeywell. It's out there in market.
Okay.
It's a really good experience. In every company you learn few things that you carry forward and make yourself better as a product engineer or software engineer.
Yep.
And that will help you grow even more matured as an engineer.
Got it. And your primary focus has been on the front end side right now, is it?
Yeah. I actually am a front end engineer.
Okay.
But after I have interacted a few people like you, I have changed my perspective of engineering in total. And now I'm branding myself as software developer.
Yeah.
So that I can not limited myself to particularly a front end or back end, so that I can connect many dots.
Correct.
So I can build a product. I can also come across many parallels. Business, not only just product, also the business around it. Yeah.
That's a very good point, right? Like when people say that a full stack engineer, all they think about is that front end and back end. But in a true sense, a full stack engineer is something, in my opinion, it's somebody who also understands not just the technical part of it, but also understand products, also understand business, also understands marketing bits and pieces there. That okay, why are we doing something? Why is some of our marketing campaign is run like that? Why a brand is designed in so and so way? So I think full stack engineer, in my opinion, is a lot more than just the technology side of it. They should probably have a lot more understanding about other aspect of the business as well, and not just limited to the tech part there.
Correct. Yeah, I mean, I recommend everyone to call themselves as product engineer instead of front end developer or back end developer, so that they can actually expand their origins. When they think of engineering, it can't be just one area. So it's holistic, right? In sense.
Coming to Airtribe, Theja, you are part of our Backend Engineering Launchpad. would love to first know that how did you come to know about Airtribe?
Yeah, that's a good thing I actually came across. So I was just going through LinkedIn in my leisure time, and also the Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, you are there on LinkedIn.
So
where I have met and had a small chat about the Airtribe. And since this is the first time, that's the first time I'm hearing about the Airtribe, I had a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Because before picking up, because there are many platforms out there who delivers the same content. But the interaction I had with you over the call, that actually instantly made me, it actually convinced me to join Airtribe.
Okay.
Because the way you have provided the reasoning was actually legible. That made me join Airtribe. But I came across some of the posters on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
And it was so clear that it was so informative that what Airtribe offers. You have the one good thing about Airtribe is it has launched Backend Engineering cohort.
Yeah.
So it's cohort based learning, right? Where you actually have the whole community of like-minded people. That's a big advantage because you grow along with them. You actually share your ideas with them and probably build a product at the end.
Yes.
That's what actually it's happening. And also Backend Engineering Launchpad. When I heard Backend Engineering Launchpad, it's specifically focusing on backend. See, as I'm a front-end engineer, as I have said, I was a front-end engineer. I just need another skill set in my bucket. That's the backend, so that I can build a product on my own.
Yes.
Airtribe really helped me within 2 months of time. I became confident to build a complete backend for my front end. Now, recently I have taken the help of AI and I have coded my complete application with the knowledge I have carried from these many sessions that have happened so far.
Okay.
And
so that application is full stack application.
Full stack application, yes.
Got it. And you built it end to end, front end, back end, all of them.
Exactly. When you join cohorts like Airtribe, you can get the chance to meet many people.
Yes. From
many companies. So, like I have said, there are instructors, great instructors like Sanchita, Kaushal, Pavan.
Yep.
These guys are coming from great
solid
product companies. Yeah, solid background. They have carried their learnings away and sharing their experiences, and so it helps avoid few pitfalls when we go forward. Coming across Airtribe was the best thing that happened in last 1 year.
Awesome. That's good to hear.
Yeah. We're already working in different companies. They shared their experiences. They shared their product ideas.
Correct.
So that's one of the great ways that being part of this cohort that's really helped me to think of different tech stacks and correlate to the work we are doing in our companies, so that it won't make you feel bit uncomfortable while going forward when you work on different products in other companies, because you are already aware of them on high level. So the chance of interacting with cohort members is really a nice idea.
Got it. Okay. Were you able to connect with other cohort members throughout this program?
Yeah, I made few of them as my friends. They are really so sweet, and few of them are actually from the locality that I came from. So it's really, I made good friends here.
Okay.
Not just the peers, cohort members. I can call them my friends now.
Great.
Yeah, it's really a nice journey.
That's a big win, I would say.
Yeah, exactly.
Theja, tell me, how did you decide to join Airtribe, right? I'm sure you would have done your own research. There are multiple different platforms doing this or somewhat similar programs in their company. Why did you decide to join Airtribe?
That's a good question. That's one of the reasons today I'm here with you. It's just simple. Content is everywhere. Content is available everywhere.
True.
If you go to YouTube, you have a lot of resources for the same topic.
Yes.
That you want to learn. What makes me join Airtribe? What makes me actually research about the platforms out there is that the guidance, right? The right guidance. So that you only get if you join platforms like Airtribe.
Yep.
There are many edtech platforms these days. These are growing.
A lot of them.
A lot of them, obviously. The good thing is there is limited content on, particularly on backend. If you look at other platforms, they offer you a full stack development kind of learning.
Yeah.
Project based development is everywhere. That's how you learn. But it's practically not possible to touch each and every tech stack in short period of time. At least if you take 6 months, it's not possible.
Absolutely.
You have a lot of things to cover. The good thing is Backend Engineering Launchpad is what makes me think of Airtribe. The curriculum, structured curriculum that is designed, so we'll be able to visualize what's actually happening across this cohort. We can just think of any topic that's there in your curriculum browser, and on top of that, I had a short call with you, the co-founder, which is not common to get the chance to interact with the co-founder itself.
Yeah.
Where I had...
I think we had a chat around almost
1 hour. Yeah,
10 to 11 p.m.
Exactly, in the night. So I was amazed when I received call just after a minute contacting one of your team members. That's made me take the decision.
Okay.
Because you have cleared all of my doubts in that single call. And I have joined then and there itself. Also, the experience that instructors carry from their past experience. Also, the mentors. And mentors are not just, they had good amount of experience coming from great product companies like Amazon, Google. So, they're actually appearing every hour or so on the Slack, the community channels, the WhatsApp. So if you had any doubt, you get yourself unblocked, and that's actually a win-win situation for a community and also the learner. We had a small conversation in one of the sessions where we came across Blinkit backend design, how it's actually designed. So you don't get the chance if you go out there, you will have limited information on how it's built.
True.
That's actually a big resource for you.
And one last thing I want to know more about your Airtribe experiences around the projects, right? Because we focus on projects a lot. We design these projects with the help of instructors. I'm personally very, very involved in designing problem statement for every single project out there. How is your experience with working on these projects?
The projects are really framed really well because I haven't expected them that way. They're really challenging your knowledge. That's what you really need when you join any platform outside and you're spending your money. You need them to be challenging.
Correct.
As your tasks that you face in real world.
Yes.
And projects are really helping to solve those problems. And these projects are framed in such a way that there is a level of complexity that we are noticing. With the levels of assignments increasing, the complexity is also actually increasing. And the capstone project, it's even gonna be more challenging. It's gonna be a product that we can sell.
Yes.
If we develop it at a scale that people can use.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Project-based learning is one of the great things here in Airtribe.
Cool. That's good to hear, Theja. Tell me what's next for you.
What's next? I have a clear goal in my mind now. After acquiring these many skills, I had a clear vision in my mind that going further in next 2 years, I will be a full stack developer. Working on good scale products. So obviously I get a chance to interact with people like you and many instructors out there. We had a good interaction here in Airtribe. We can just carry forward that.
Absolutely.
If we actually join great product companies.
Yes.
And can build skills.
Yep. Got it.